All right, so then, of course, using this formula, we can calculate CSE. How much time do I have left? 2:43. I have 5 minutes?
7.
7 minutes, okay. Okay, so from this equation, you can see CC, capitalized cost, is going to be equal to P times 1 plus I to power n divided by 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Right? And then plus YOC over R. Right? Yeah.
So for the CC on the right-hand side of that equation, would you have to account for inflation over the course of n years?
Yes, we are assuming no inflation. If you do inflation, this becomes a more tricky problem. Okay? Because then this will not be CC. This will be CC and the inflated price. Yeah. So, I mean, you can do it, but the problem is you can do the inflated price, but the problem will be for the next cycle, of course, these two both will be different. This will be the beginning price, will be the end price. So that will become a little bit tricky. Yeah.
What does I represent in this one?
Interest rate, and that's always going to be 10% for us. Okay? Does it make sense? So yeah, I mean, if you want, so if we, all we do is, so let's calculate the capitalized cost for these equipment at I equals to 10%. Yeah.
So do we know this?
Sorry, shh, stop talking. I
So
can't.
is there no depreciation of these equipment?
Very good question. Is there no depreciation? I actually usually give that as a quiz problem. That how would you calculate capitalized cost taking into account depreciation? So how would you do that? Very good. So let's say that you have a straight line depreciation over n years. Then how would you do it? Yeah? Sorry? Well, actually, yeah, but there's a simpler way of looking at it. All that it is, if you can think about it, is YOC minus tax rate, right, times P divided by N. Because what happens is that, so P is the total cost, divided by N is the depreciation each year. Your saving is that times the tax rate. So all you can do is you subtract that from the YOC. Right? Does that make sense?
As long as the age of the product, how long the product life of the product is the same as the years.
Exactly. As long as the life of the product is the same as the duration over your depreciation. If it is not, that becomes a little bit trickier. But it can still be done. In fact, in the quiz, I usually give these two options. First, they're equal. Second, they're not equal. If they're not equal, all you do is so let's say it was only 3 years, right? In that case, all you do is you just take this P and you do depreciation over that and bring it to the front. And so it's an annuity, right? So yeah, that will be a slightly different annuity calculation, but still it's an annuity. But I don't want to, so yeah, but let's just look at only at this right now. Because otherwise it's a bit trickier. I don't want to confuse too many people. Well, I guess I'm kind of running out of time. So we'll continue next time, okay? But can somebody write down, please tell me these numbers next time so I don't have to create these numbers again. And we are assuming there's a class on Friday, unless you hear otherwise.